You are sitting in a local cafe, you buy latte, open your laptop and connect to free guest Wi-Fi. You log into your bank account to check your balance. Everything seemed perfectly normal. But what you did not realize that the guy sitting 2 tables away just read your password, stole your session and drain your checking account. Welcome to terrifying reality of man in middle attack. To understand how this works, you have to understand how Wi-Fi actually travels. When you hit enter on your password, your computer did not magically teleport that data to internet. It physically throws a radio wave through the air. In a secure home network, that paper plane goes straight from your laptop into the router. No one else allowed to catch it. But on a public cafe Wi-Fi network, everyone is sharing the exact same airspace. It is a completely open room. This is where the hackers step in. Using a basic piece of software, they turn their own laptop into fake router. They force your laptop to connect them instead of a real cafe Wi-Fi. So when you throw the paper airplane with your bank password, the hacker catch it mid-air. But if they just keep it, your laptop could say no internet connection and you got suspicious. So the hacker goes something much worse. They open the airplane, read your password, quickly run through a photocopier and throw the original airplane to real router. The real router get the password and log you in. Your screen load the bank account perfectly. You have a zero idea that anything went wrong. There is no alarm, there is no virus pop-up. The entire transaction was intercepted, read and passes along in a less than a millisecond. The hacker now have a perfect copy of your most sensitive data. That is why you never check your bank account on a cafe shop Wi-Fi. But remember, practicing this public is illegal. If you want to know how to build a safe room on your own computer, test the exploit safely, click the video on your screen right now. And if you want to see how hackers just ask your password directly instead of stealing it, hit subscribe because my next video is about social engineering attack.